Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this BMW X5.
The history of this is basically where high performance sport utility vehicles originated from, was from this right here, guys. We're gonna bring this inside. We're gonna get a look at everything that possibly could be wrong. We know we have one bad window regulator.
Yeah.
We know we have one rear airbag that's not in good shape, and we're gonna go through and figure out what's left to fix on this thing. We're gonna fully restore this. We're gonna give it a new home, but we need to get it on a lift and see what all's going on with it. And we're gonna make sure that we bring this back to the life that it deserves to be in. Enjoy the build, everybody.
Definitely has a suspension problem here in the back. So first things first, some fresh hood struts.
That thing is clean.
So to start this rebuild off, we're gonna go ahead and get this car hooked up with a fresh battery. Did we find out where the battery's at yet?
I think it's under here.
Somewhere in the trunk. Clearly, we need to do something with the rear suspension. When we pulled the car in, we did notice there is something wrong with this dash.
Common problem on that LCD. Matt found a video.
So once we get this battery swapped out, we can actually go ahead, read all the codes on this thing. I believe we're also gonna work on this window, because as of right now, do not trust this thing sitting outside. Okay, now that we have the rear window regulator in, and that is now working, we can finally move on to the rear airbags. So, one's out.
So it's got compressor runtime faults in it because it's constantly trying to air one up, so it shuts it off by default. But the other one did have air in it, this one wouldn't do anything.
Gotcha.
We had to order a overly priced piece of trim for the back glass.
Oh gosh, how much is that back trim?
Straight from Germany, 400 bucks.
Cost
400 bucks.
for a piece of trim. Where is it? It had a like bow in it about right here. I'm assuming it got caught by a car wash or something.
Yeah.
So other than that, it
Peeled
didn't make any sense. Yeah, it was weird. You want a hand, dude? You over there look like you're struggling.
That's how I did the other one.
Here.
You got it?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. I was gonna get it done either way, you know?
Like none of the factory options were missing. It's a really clean car. It's cleaner than most stuff that comes in the shop. And it's twice as old. Good?
Yes, sir.
I'm never gonna find another car for this much money like this again.
No. But that's okay.
When's the last time you seen an ashtray in a back seat?
I don't know if I ever have.
Not in a BMW, this wild.
So after we knock out the rear bags, what else we got to do?
2 upstream O2 sensors. We gotta fix the nav unit, and the LCD for the mileage is messed up. So we'll have to rebuild that cluster, swap out that nav screen with another NOS unit, change the oil. That's it. This car really didn't need much, man. More than 3/4 of it's going to be done today with the O2 sensors in the bags. So need to get it detailed. I'd say the paint corrected, but it honestly is not that easy. I don't really see. I mean, it's got some swirls in it, of course, but they kept it in the garage its whole life. Like, it needs probably clay barred at least. But
New airbags are in.
but
We got hungry.
yeah.
The X5 rebuild is already making huge strides. We got the air suspension in. We've got this thing fully cleaned up now. Inside is looking fresh. We did go ahead and put 2 new front axles in the front of this thing, so we don't have to worry about those anymore. They were totally shot. For a full breakdown of what we've done so far, we've done a new battery, a window regulator, new rear airbags. We have done 2 new front axles, an oil change. We've cleaned this thing up. This thing is now ready to go on its first drive in who knows how long and be back on the streets. So that's exactly what we're gonna do in the next video. Get this thing back out on the road, take it for a test drive. If you guys wanna see more BMW content, make sure you subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.